sitting. Satil, sit. Inara, sit. Sadie, sit. You guys are not sitting. Sitters get treats. Look, Luna's sitting. Keever's sitting. Astro's sitting. Valenor's sitting. Emrys is sitting. Comet's sitting. Now Sadie's sitting. Teddy's sitting. Monroe's sitting. Satil is sitting. Violet is sitting behind me. And Nara, we all have to sit. Thank you. And we're missing somebody. We're missing someone. Who are we missing? We're missing Nelson. We have to go get Nelson. Good. Everybody's so good. Satil, Astro, Keever, Valinor, you can't snatch others' treats. Everybody needs to sit or nobody gets anything. Inara, you're holding everyone else up. Valinor, good. Okay, here we go. Emrys, Luna, Comet, Nelson, Inara, Monroe, Valinor, Astro, Keever, Sadie, Teddy, and Satil. Yay! Good job, everybody. All done.
Dogs will thrive if they have opportunities to express natural behaviors, such as play, and that doesn't just mean with their human companions or by themselves. Dogs thrive when they get to play with and socialize and interact in other ways with conspecifics. Dogs also thrive when they get to express other natural behaviors like digging, chewing, barking, and sniffing. Dogs are more likely to be calm inside and have a lot better manners when they're with you if they have had plenty of opportunities for exercise. That exercise can include running, jumping, climbing, barking and digging until their heart's content, playing with other dogs, and wrestling. Free supervised play is really important to dogs, but so is structured playtime with you. So make sure that while your dogs are getting exercise and playing, that you're either supervising them or interacting in that play behavior with them.